Okay, hello everyone, I'm Little K. Yesterday, we finished this layout map. So today, we have to look at the layout map and what else can be done. First, I found a problem. Most of our layout is correct. Only this group is wrong. You see, this is 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Then it should be the other way around. The order of its registration is incorrect. That is to say that we are doing this at this time. This lamp should be on this side. So how do we turn it upside down? We picked it. We press this stage. Then turn to the second page. Click on the entire group. The whole group. Just one group, not one. The whole set rotates this Z-turn. Rotate this Z-turn and I turn it around. It doesn't matter which direction you turn. Turn 180 degrees. After getting better after 180 degrees, let's take a look at this lamp. Is it normal? Let's click. I ordered high, so I'll order the next one now. This order is correct. This order is right, but when we do this place, it won't be now. It won't be adjusted. We need to modify it manually ourselves. Then look at me choosing lights like this. I light a lamp. It didn't come in order. Right? It's the other way around. So we need to reverse it. How to rebel? Select it. Dot settings. Here's a tool. It was already said yesterday. Rotate. Rotation guidelines. Select a light. I made a mistake in this operation. What should we be like? I cancelled high. These lamps should be selected. Overall rotation. 180 degrees. 180 degrees to clear it. Apply OK. At this time, let's try again. Let's select this lamp again. Turn on a lamp. You see, this is right. If it doesn't match, it will be quite troublesome in the later stages. Assumption. Let's say I reverse it now. Go back. Turn it back. 180 degrees. Okay. Let's make a simple one. Explanation. I chose this set of lights. Select this set of lights. Select this set of lights. Select this set of lights. It has been consecrated, right? It's already lit. I click full. Consecration. Cancel high. Everyone was consecrated. Hit a little bit forward. At this time, if I choose diverge with edge groups, because of the lamp I chose, it was just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A group of 5 lamps. A group of 5 lamps. A group of 5 lamps. It can be divided equally. A group of 5 lamps. Then I'll diverge. I turned at this time this axis. You will see. People are symmetrical. Just this guy is asymmetrical. Why? Because the order of the lights is reversed. So it will affect our later stage. Use this smart trick. If you say the mind is better, you can do it if you don't change it. You can choose the lights like this. Choose like this. Choose like this. Choose like this. Press the constellation to hit it out. What if the lamp is selected in this way? That will definitely work because you skip that one. That step. Right? But it is recommended to modify it. Then let's modify it. Select it. Just turn it 180 degrees. Okay, after turning 180 degrees, click Apply. Okay. Then we are now, after finishing this layout drawing, we need to change these names first. I'll click on it first. This is 330. Then I'll order it. 330. What about this? I order it. This one is 1200. Then I'll order it. This one is 4 eyes. That's 4. I'm a little lazy. This is the pixel bar. That's the CXST pixel bar. What about this? This is 64. That is 64. What about this? This is 10. 10. 10 to 20. Forget it. 10 should be. After having these, then this whirlpool. What about it now? Occupies the following section. But I want to save my space. Put it on top. Put it here to take pictures. How nice that is, right? Then we can put this object assigned to this layout diagram. We click wrong point. Click assign or assign as end. Then select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you operate, there will be feedback on this command line. At this time, what if you choose them? You just have to go a little further to this place. You see, all these things have come here. Let's click the settings. We treat it like a lamp. How can it be carried out? Move up and down. And now it's smaller. I can point to divergence. Point divergence 1, 2, 3. The third divergence. Then I turn this and go this X that diverges it. The middle does not change, and the two sides change. Then I'll put this one on the second page. Y to enlarge it a little. X enlarged a little. Okay. At this time, move a little more. Go up a little bit. It's still a bit small. I can put this lamp. Move a little to the left. This lamp also moved a little to the right. We chose this light, and then proceeded. The dot diverges 3 times. I ordered 123 on the empty table. Go directly to X to go to the second page. Magnify it a little bit. Basically, I can see it like this, right? So that I can see the future. Okay, I'll put it here later. Completed this task of mine. I canceled this. I can pull this world. Just turned it off. I don't want it. I can turn it off. After turning it off, I put them all out. I'll put another group. Marshalling out. Marshalling. Then I can do this. Let's assume. Let's order this 330. Let's turn this formation into an empty place first. Where there is none. Where there is none. This kind of 81 starts. Let's order 330. I can select this whole set of lights first. First selected. All selected. I press save. Press the save button. Here. Save here. You see 330. I order 1200. Only 1200 remain. I pick them. I press save. There is only one 1200 here. Then I chose this 4i. I chose 4 eyes. Save another 4 eye. XT. I chose them. Save here. Then I'll choose 64 again. I choose the light now just to choose them. I didn't choose in order, nor did they choose according to the selection method. Okay, let's say I pick this now. It's all in the whole group. That's when I want to recover. Of course, I order the first one, right? Click the first one back. I can assign it to others. The first 330. Where to put it? Select it. I can put it here. And then, I can continue to distribute. Allocate it 1200. Here. I assign 4 more eyes. 4-eyed words. I'll put it here. And then, pixel bar. I can assign. The pixel bar is here. Then I assign it. Point distribution. Point 64. Here. I'll assign it again. Click disk 20 again. Placed on. Put it here. This is just for you to be happy with. You see, we have selected all of these groups. All choose it. Select it. To press the comp key. Comp key to select multiple buttons. After the election, we can zoom in here again. To enlarge. Zoom in. Okay, put it after it's done. You can adjust it yourself. Then let's clear it. Hey, you find I found a problem. When we were sneaking, there is no mesh adsorption. We need a mesh snap. Where is the mesh adsorption? We can watch. This little yellow ball. This. The file data in this city. The first one, it's called grid X, grid Y. Then I lose an E. Everyone can see it. Now this grid is 1 spacing. The level is with this. For example, I entered one of them into 0. Then he doesn't have it. He only had wise words. It must not be justified. It cannot be called a square. So this grid you can want. Yes, don't. I don't want it. I feel a little dizzy. This is adsorbed to the grid. Assumption. This is a grid of 1. Then this one is 0.5. Adsorption to 0.5 of the mesh. It can be attached to half of this mesh. Half. Let's say you look at me. How do I move? I didn't dot the net. To attach the grid, open it first. This is grid adsorption. Open. After opening, you see, this one of it will become a sweet character. Sweet character because it's 0.5. So it is an adsorption of the sweet character. Then we can change it to adsorption of 1. Then it won't be a sweet character. It is a grid, 1 by 1. Right? You see, it's not a crossword anymore. This is the grid suit. What about the inside of the grid suit? There is also a background color here. Let's choose a blue one. Push this up. Point determined. Please. You see that the back has become like a swimming pool. Then you want to change it to red. A vast ocean. I usually don't want the color black. So what if you want black? Click reset. After the reset, the point is determined. It turns black. I canceled the network. Here are the more commonly used functions. For example, fast code falls out immediately. Fall out quickly. I don't use it much. This is a serious release. It's that you save a queue. In this program. On this push. After assigning it to this, is such a replay allowed? There is a com hold here. This one is also rarely used. This one should be this color that fills it. It is also rarely used. This is the result of choice. Among these functions, just this adsorption. This is the most important thing. Open. After opening it, you do something later. You can be a little more standard. You see? Be standard. Be standard, right? Then, this is the object of assignment. Then our marshalling can also be assigned. World words can be assigned. In fact, my layers can also be assigned. Layers cannot. I can assign a red function to it. The red function toggles it. Then I can click on the page separately. Toggle these two. Let me make a simple demonstration. I'll turn off this marshalling first. Take out a red. I make a red. It's called layout. Lone. Then make 1. Layout. Space. 2. Here are 2. One is 1 and the other is 2. I'll change it. Then 1. The change is 2. Then I want to be on this page. Just switch between the two. I can assign it to others. Allocate 2 first. Allocate 1 first. Here. Then magnify it a little bit. Okay. Move it a bit. 1 here. Okay, let me be clear. I'll go to page 1 now. I assign 2. Here. This grid suit does not open. Put it here. You see I'm pointing 2 to 1. 1 to 2. You see, I don't have to switch anything else. I don't need to order it here. I can do this. Give it a finish. I can put out more of what I want to put out. I just need to point here. Isn't it very convenient? In fact, you can do this. It can not only assign red functions. There are also various options for marshalling. Replays can also be assigned. What can be distributed? I assume distribution. Distribute a lot of material. For example, my set of lights. I make one such lamp. I put the material, full distribution, all filmed here. I put all the effect on it. Put it here. Effect. But this one is to remember. Inside this, who you want to assign. You just need to point the distribution. Then click on it. You see if you can be assigned to it. For example, how do I assign it? Distribute it. Come here. You see, this can also be assigned. Then how do I distribute it? Click on it. Come here. When I click on it, you can see that it will be switched. You see, these objects can be assigned. You can save your space when the time comes. You can put these things. It's a mess. Turn it all off. You have to zoom in. Let's save it after enlarging. Update here. I'll update it here. You arrange all these things. You have to arrange this thing yourself. After arranging it all, zoom in and out. Put it in the most reasonable position. You see how it works. It's not difficult. Very convenient. It depends on how you use this one. Functionality of layout diagrams. It's just simple use. There are more complex. You can change it to be green. You can look at some foreign websites. If you are a foreign website, you can see some knowledge by climbing over the wall. It is people who use this layout map. After changing it, change the picture. For example, this picture. I can click on it. Here's an edit for it. After editing it, pictures can be inserted. Right. Insert picture. Import images. If you import an image, when the third chapter, we talk about backup. We put those stock images. Those pictures we are talking about. Where can it be placed? Where? Everywhere. It is after putting it inside. You can find it here. For example, let's look for it. Look for that. GoPro. This is the picture. Find inside the picture. The words of this picture are too ugly. Change the picture. Change the white flag inside the gobo. For example, I choose. We use the down button of that keyboard. Can choose. For example, I chose this. Assumption. I open. To close. Then, ouch, wrong point. Click to close. It should be checked. Select it. Okay. After the decision is made, then here we are. You can call it. Close. Open. Then put it to the maximum. To be sure. You see this, you look like a picture. Actually, what is it? It is the red feature. So, these things in it. The sky is empty. You can make the picture yourself. The picture format is BMP 128 zone 128. Where to put it? If you don't remember, then you look back. Our third chapter. Back uploading that piece. Okay, in it. Adjust it a little yourself. I'll adjust it a little later. Okay, thank you.